Hey guys, ready for the assignment? So I'm back with the assignment of English, and today we'll be doing the question answers. So we'll start with unit number 1. The first question is, what was the reason for quarreling of the colors? So the answer will be, each color in the rainbow wanted to claim its importance. Second question, what was the claim of violet? So the answer will be, violet claimed that it was the color of humility and wisdom, therefore it was the most important among all. And the third question is, why do people need indigo color? So answer will be, people need indigo color because it is the color of silence. People need it for peace and prayer. And now we'll be doing the question answers for the second paragraph. And the first question is, what followed thunder and lightning? So the answer will be as simple as rain followed thunder and lightning. And the second one is not a question answer, but it is a blanks, that is, rain was in dash mood. So the answer is angry. Rain was in angry mood. Now the third question, what message did the rain want to convey to the quarreling colors? So the answer will be, the rain wanted to convey to all the colors in the rainbow that each of them is important and they should realize their importance. Now we will continue with unit number 2. And the first question is, what did the lion do preparing for the fight? So the answer will be, the lion, as a commander of the animals, gave them a drill for practice. He made them march for long hours. He gave them a lot of good food too. The second question is, what did the poor birds do? So the answer will be, the poor birds did not have good food and they did not practice, but they had a meeting with the insects, or you can also say they had a meeting with their friends, the insects. And again, the third one is not a question answer, it's an MCQ. The meaning of the word march in this passage is, so the answer will be option number C, a soldier's walk. Now we will continue with the second paragraph's question answers. And the first question is, what did the parrot propose to the fly? So the answer will be, the parrot proposed to the fly to become the spy for their army. The fly would let the parrot know about the animal's secret plan. Now, second question, how would the fly get the secret plan of the animals? So, the answer will be, the fly flew in and hid nearby where the meeting of the animals was held to know about the secret plan of the animals. And in this also, the third one is an MCQ. The meaning of called on is, so the answer will be option number C, visited. Now we will continue with the third paragraph question answers. How are the limbs of the Indian purple frog? So the answer will be, the limbs of the Indian purple frog are short and stout. So the main answer is short and stout. Second one, how is the mouth of the Indian purple frog? So the answer is, the mouth of the Indian purple frog is a snout sticking out in a small white knob. It is a snout sticking out in a small white knob. And the third question is, how do the snout and legs help the Indian purple frog? So the answer is, the snout and the legs help the Indian purple frog dig in the ground for insects, and the most favorite food of these Indian purple frog is termites. Now we will continue with question answers of unit number 3. And the first question of the first paragraph is, what was Vijay fond of? So the answer will be, Vijay was fond of playing with water. Now the second question is, what did Vijay do by filling a big tub with water? So answer is, by filling a big tub of water, Vijay played with his toy boat in there. And the third question is, what advice of his mother did Vijay not listen 2. So answer will be Vijay did not listen to his mother's advice of not to waste water. Now we will continue with the second paragraph's question. That is, the first question is, give the split up of about 2% of fresh water on the planet. And the answer will be, out of 2% fresh water on the planet, 1.6% is locked up in polar ice caps and glaciers. 0.36% is in underground wells, and only about 0.036% of it is in lakes and rivers, and another 0.004% water is floating in the air or as clouds and water vapor is locked up in plants and animals. Now, the second question is, what is floating water? So, the answer will be the water that evaporates, turns into water vapor, and forms clouds that floats in the air. So, that is known as floating water. Now, the third question, that is, how much water does our body contain? So, the answer is our body contains 65% of water. So, actually, our body is made up of 65% water.